Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeMaster Lab. In this video, I'll show you how to use database seeding in CodeIgniter 4 to populate your database with test data, all without using Composer or CLI. Let's dive in. Database seeding are used to populate your data with test or default data. This is especially useful during development or testing, when you need to quickly fill your tables with some sample data. Seeds are great for testing, development, and default data. To use seeds in CodeIgniter 4, first ensure your database settings are configured correctly in your .env file. If you have not seen my video, please check my previous video where I have shown you how to create a database migration file and execute it without using CLI or command line tools. This complete series of videos will be without CLI or command line tools. We will be creating each and every video. Benefits of command line and CLI tool will be your template will be created automatically, which will help you to save some time. Next, to create seeds file, you need to go inside your app database. You will find seeds. In my previous video, I have discussed about migration folder. So this video is all for seeds. In this folder, you will find all your seeds stored. To create a file, just create a new file with a specific name convention. In my all videos, I tell you about the naming convention. Please listen this carefully. Without this, your files might not get executed properly. They should be always named as per camel case, and the first letter should be capital as shown in the video. I'll be creating a file users seeds because in my previous video I have created a table with users. So it should always define what you are, why you have created this file. Okay. Describe the data, what is being added into your database. Inside the file, define a class extends CodeIgniter database seeder. Here you write the class with class name and the file name should be same, which extends from seeder. In this, you will have only one function, which is run. Inside that, we will create a variable data and we will give few details. Now, if you check our data, create users table migration file, you can see you have name, ID is auto incremented, you have name, email, password, created at, updated at, and deleted at. So update can be null and created can also be null. So we'll not add those details, we'll just add name, email, and password. All should be written inside an array. Now here I have used a single data, so you need to use this db table. Then you need to write table name and then insert the data. That's it. If you are giving multiple datas, the data should be inside an array. Okay, array, and then there should be insert batch. You have one function insert batch where bulk data can be inserted. To execute seeds programmatically, create a controller and use the call method as shown. Now always controller also follows specific naming convention, which is camel case, and first letter should be capital. I'll be creating a controller, seed controller, which extends from normal controller. In this index file, I'll write $seeds. I'll take the service seeder, and I'll use try and catch method. In try, you need to always write seeder call the function or the class name which we have defined in this seeders folder. Then I'll echo seeder succeeded successfully. If there is any error, then you can echo the message. Now you can run the seeder by visiting your base URL /seed controller in your browser. This is especially useful if you don't have access to command line. Here are some best practices for working with seeds. Use realistic data. Keep seeds small. Test seeds. Always test your seeds in development environment before you use them in production. Document your seeds, and that's it. You now know how to set up, create and execute database seeds in CodeIgniter 4, all without using Composer or CLI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.